question number 6, the same thing applies, but this one will have just a small twist to it. So we want to begin with writing down what's given to you. That would be 7.8 grams of carbon dioxide, and we want to change that to our number of atoms of oxygen needed to make 7.8 grams of carbon dioxide. Alright, the number that we were given was grams, that's right here. Now, in order to work this out, we need to first change that value to our number of mole, and then from the number of mole, we want to change it to our number of molecules of carbon dioxide. To do that, we're going to use the idea that we can look at our number of molecules. That means that we're going to have this right here at the top that you're going to start with. So to begin, I'll put in my 1 mole of CO2 at the top. We need to get the molar mass. That would be from our periodic table. So carbon dioxide, you have 1 carbon, that's 12.01. You have 2 oxygen, each one of those is 16. So we have 32 here, 32 plus 12, you've got 44.01. That would be the mass of all of 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. So that's going to be the molar mass of carbon dioxide that we'd get from the periodic table. Alright, that takes care of our first part right here. Now, what we need to do is add in the next part. That would be changing it to our number of molecules. So we have 1 mole of CO2 would give you 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of CO2. Alright, now I know what you might be thinking, it doesn't help me because the question is asking for what is your number of atoms of oxygen. Alright, now this is the new part here. We have molecules of carbon dioxide, and I want to get rid of that. That means that that unit is going to go down below. We're going to have molecule of CO2. Now if we have 1 molecule, for every time I want to make a carbon dioxide molecule, the question is, how many atoms of oxygen do you need? Well, here at the bottom it says that you need 2, so I'll have 2 atoms of oxygen that would be needed for every 1 molecule of carbon dioxide. Now if we take just a second and we cross out units, grams, those are gone. Moles, they're gone. Molecules, carbon dioxide, they're gone. And the only thing you're left with is atoms of oxygen. So what do? How do you plug that into the calculator? You take your 7.8 times 1 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd times 2 and hit the equals button. Then we're going to divide that by what's on the bottom. So you divide that by 44.01, press the equals, and that will be your answer. Okay, record that, and then we'll move on to the next one.